Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare chola masala. The ingredients that I require to prepare this recipe are I have boiled here near about 200 grams of chola. I have already boiled it, soaked it for near about 4 hours and then boiled it in a pressure cooker and gave near about 3 whistles. I have added little salt to this water and I have not drained the water. I have kept that water in it. Okay. So these are boiled cholas, which are also known as chickpeas. Here I have taken 3 onions, medium sized onions, and I have sliced them. Here I have taken 2 dried red chilies. Here I have taken little cinnamon stick, 4 cardamom, pepper pods. Okay. And 2 cloves, little bit of lemon, cumin powder. For 200 grams of chola, I am going to use half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, red chili powder as per your taste. This is the ready-made chola masala that you get from the market. So this I will use 1 teaspoon or maybe a little bit more. It depends. Salt as per your taste. Little sugar, half teaspoon sugar, and oil for cooking. So now let's get started. Now here I am heating little oil, near about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add the dried red chili and the cloves and the cardamoms and whatever I had. Saute it for a while. And now after sauteing it for a while, I'll add the onions. And I'll cook this till the onions becomes little translucent. Here our onions are fried. Now what I'm going to add, I forgot to tell you the very important ingredient, that is the ginger garlic paste. I'm using near about half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So this is one of the main ingredients that I forgot to mention before. So I've added the ginger garlic paste. Here I'm adding the cumin powder. Here I'm adding the coriander powder, the red chili powder, little bit sugar, salt, I'll first cook these little bit. Now I have fried these masalas. Now I'm going to add the lemon juice, half a lemon juice. That may be near about 1/3 teaspoon, and the masala, the chole masala, the ready-made chole masala I'm adding. Be careful when you're adding this because there will be chili powder in this also. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add little bit of water so that the masala gets cooked properly. Now I'm going to cook this masala properly. Once a masala is done, you see it started leaving the oil. So that means it's fried properly. I'm going to add the boiled chola, that is the boiled chickpeas, along with that water. And I'll give it a good stir so that the masala and all mixes well. And I will cover this and let it boil for some time. After letting it boil for some time and the chola getting cooked more properly, this is the correct consistency that I wanted. If you want it more dry, you can make it more dry. So my chola masala is now ready. Let's put on the flame and let's serve. Here is our yummy chole masala ready. I have garnished it with some fresh coriander leaves and lime. You can savor it with puris or rotis. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Till then, see you soon. Bye.